Gold daily forecast, April 17th, FXEmpire.com. After having this horrific sell off in gold uh, on Monday, you can see that Tuesday was much more calm. It was relatively a neutral candle. And in and of itself would have been a pretty impressive range, but the reality is that the volatility has been so out there in this market recently that even this candle right here shows the same promises of stability that a lot of traditional bullish candles will. However, we don't see enough in this chart to start buying at this point. We recognize that 1350 is a relatively significant psychological number, but at the end of the day, it is just that. So we need to see some type of basing action in order to start buying again, and from which uh, area it comes from can also come into play as well, as there are a lot of different markets for gold and buyers, etc. So it'll be interesting to see what happens, but you can see during the session that we did try to get above the 1400 level. Pretty bullish, truthfully, all things being equal, but there's so much downside pressure in this market at the moment. More than likely, it will go sideways before it's a buy. If we manage to break down below 1300, things will get ugly quick, but at this point in time, we don't necessarily think that's the base case. We think more than likely we'll probably relax and go sideways after this significant drop.